As you can see, we've got another quick job here today. 1985 BMW 535i. Gentleman brought it in to us because due to its age, the rear muffler setup actually rusted off the back of it. And he decided that he wanted to have us build him a new one. So we ended up searching online, and due to the unique shape of the muffler area and space that we have to work with, it's really difficult to find options out there. Everything that's out there that is like performance related is like a full exhaust system, and it's extremely high end and high priced, which is not what he wanted because he wants something custom. So what we ended up finding was a sort of factory upgraded replacement is the way that I would call it. And we're going to build him a custom 2-inch exhaust system that's similar to what the factory shape and look was, but with better material, and we'll give it a little nicer look. Now, as you know, we're a very transparent shop here, and we had a little bit of an odd situation occur yesterday. When the muffler showed up, it ended up showing up with quite a bit of damage. This is the muffler that we ordered, and when it came in, as you can see, there are some dents that are intended for this, but there are obvious other dents that were not supposed to be there. Now, normally, most of you would say, okay, just send it right back, let's get a replacement, and that's that. But immediately, as soon as I saw this, I got in contact with the customer, let them know, hey, the muffler that we've been waiting for arrived, and this is the condition it showed up in. I wanted to let him know and ultimately give him the option of what he wanted to do, because not everybody's very concerned about looks, especially for something that may not ever be seen ever again for him, because he doesn't put the car up in the air himself, and it's not going to be seen when it's on the vehicle finished installed. So what's more valuable to him may be time. That's why I reached out to him. Well, given the scenario that we had, I mentioned to him, I can reach out to the distributor and tell him what happened and see if they can just send us out a replacement, or if you want, I can see if you're okay with this one and it doesn't bother you, we can still move forward with it. And I'll see if maybe they can knock some pricing off of what we ended up paying for it and relay that directly to the customer as a result of what happened, in compensation for him having to deal with a damaged muffler, which he's more than willing to deal with. So we ended up contacting the distributor. They ended up knocking off $75 and crediting me back, which I then am crediting him on his account, and we're going to move forward with the build, because as he said, he's not really too concerned about the dents. He's really just more concerned about getting the muffler on the car and getting the car back up and running sooner than later. He doesn't really want to wait. So that's what we're doing, and as you can see, that's what the muffler is going to look like. So as we're finishing this job, just know that this is nothing that we did, and this is how it arrived, and the customer is getting compensated on behalf of the distributor and is accepting the fact that this is what it looks like. So we're all about options, and customer satisfaction is at the forefront of that. So if you want things back quicker and not worried about how they look, this is what we give you as an option before we just jump to a conclusion and make a decision ourselves. So with that being said, let's stop wasting time, because he wants the car back soon, and get this on the car. there you go. All set on the BMW. Wrapped that thing up in just about a day and a half now. And I just sent the email to the customer, giving them the heads up that it's all ready to go. So this one's getting set up out the door. If you guys have any questions or feedback on this project, let me know. Like I said, be sure to subscribe with notifications and hit like if you do like this video. If you have any positive or negative feedback, please leave the comments in the comment section below. Other than that, that's a wrap. And we're gonna hop back onto Stop versus Evo now, because we've got a lot of the fun stuff to start, from intercooler piping to turbo kit. So be sure to join us. Something really cool that I want to show you guys on this car real quick is some old features that they really don't give you in cars anymore. And this is something that the owner showed me when he dropped the car off. Check this out. It's got an original first aid kit that is obviously German. And then check this out. If you're on the side of the road and you find yourself needing some tools, not to worry. They've given you an entire toolkit. Forgive the fact that a lot of the foam has deteriorated over time, and he said he's going to be replacing this, but I just thought this was the coolest thing ever, because being a race car guy, I never really leave anywhere with my race car without having tools on me, and the fact that they actually give you a decent set is pretty cool. Let's do a quick start up.